Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The USS Arleigh Burke DDG-51, commissioned back in the early 1990s, has long been a cornerstone of the U.S. Navy's surface fleet. But in 2026, the latest iteration of this powerful destroyer showcases how innovation, durability, and combat readiness can be continuously upgraded to meet modern naval warfare needs. Whether you're a defense enthusiast or just curious about one of the world's most formidable warships, this video will take you through the key features, performance aspects, and design elements of the 2026 version of the Arleigh Burke class destroyer, all in a straightforward and engaging way. The 2026 USS Arleigh Burke still maintains its foundational principles: versatility, survivability, and firepower. This destroyer is part of the Flight 3 variant, a significant technological leap from its predecessors. While the ship's basic hull design remains consistent, measuring about 509 feet long and weighing around 9,700 tons, the real magic lies within its systems. These include next-generation radar, advanced missile capabilities, and dramatically improved power and cooling systems to support the latest combat technologies. At the heart of the 2026 model is the AN/SPY-6B-1 Air and Missile Defense Radar (AMDR), which replaces the older SPY-1D radar system. This radar is a game-changer, offering far better sensitivity and tracking capabilities. It can detect and discriminate between a wide array of targets, from low-flying cruise missiles to high-altitude ballistic threats, simultaneously. This makes the ship a powerful component in layered missile defense. For the layperson, think of it as giving the ship a much sharper and more expansive set of eyes that can see much farther and react faster. The Aegis Combat System, another central feature, works in tandem with the AMDR. The 2026 model includes the baseline 10 version of Aegis, which provides faster data processing, greater threat response, and advanced cyber defenses. In practical terms, this means that the ship is better equipped to defend itself and its carrier strike group from air, surface, and subsurface threats, often all at once. It's like having a highly trained team of specialists who never sleep and can react to a changing battlefield in real time. Another area of major improvement is the ship's missile loadout. The Arleigh Burke class destroyer carries the Vertical Launching System (VLS), which houses up to 96 missile cells capable of launching everything from Tomahawk cruise missiles to SM-6 interceptors. With the integration of hypersonic missile compatibility on the horizon, the 2026 destroyer is being outfitted with the necessary updates to handle these next-gen weapons. That puts this vessel squarely at the forefront of naval firepower. Essentially, the ship is not just ready for today's battles, it's prepared for tomorrow's. When it comes to propulsion, the 2026 USS Arleigh Burke continues to use 4 General Electric LM2500 gas turbines, providing a top speed of over 30 knots, which translates to roughly 35 miles per hour. For a nearly 10,000-ton warship, that's remarkably fast. But more importantly, it gives the ship the flexibility to rapidly redeploy or escape hostile zones as needed. The propulsion system is integrated with new energy efficiency measures and enhanced noise reduction features, which reduce the ship's acoustic signature, a major advantage in avoiding detection by enemy submarines. The destroyer's physical design has also been fine-tuned for stealth. While it doesn't feature the extreme stealth angles of newer vessels like the Zumwalt class, the Arleigh Burke has an optimized superstructure that reduces radar cross-section, making it harder to detect. The 2026 version also incorporates advanced coatings and materials to limit its infrared and electromagnetic signatures. Simply put, it's harder to see and harder to hit. Crew comfort and automation have seen noticeable upgrades too. The ship accommodates around 300 crew members, but newer automation systems mean that fewer people are needed to manage complex systems. Living quarters have been slightly modernized, taking into account long-term deployments and the mental health of sailors. Ergonomic workspaces, improved air filtration, and better communication terminals make life aboard more manageable and efficient. In terms of versatility, this destroyer is built for multi-mission capability. Anti-submarine warfare is bolstered by updated sonar arrays and the ability to deploy MH-60R Seahawk helicopters equipped with dipping sonar and torpedoes. Surface warfare is supported by Harpoon missiles and advanced gunnery systems, including a 5-inch 62 caliber Mk-45 gun. For close-in defense, the Phalanx CIWS and electronic warfare suites act as the last line of defense against incoming threats. The 2026 USS Arleigh Burke also plays a critical role in network-centric warfare. With upgraded satellite communications and battle management software, the ship can coordinate in real time with other naval assets, ground forces, and even unmanned systems. This connectivity ensures that the destroyer is not fighting alone, but as part of a larger, smarter force. From a strategic standpoint, this vessel continues to serve as the Navy's workhorse. It can be deployed for escort missions, missile defense operations, humanitarian assistance, and power projection. Whether patrolling the Pacific or responding to crises in the Mediterranean, the 2026 Arleigh Burke-class destroyer offers unmatched reliability and capability. One of the less talked about but equally important features is its modular upgrade pathway. The Navy has designed the ship with future tech in mind. So, as newer sensors, weapons, and propulsion systems become available, the Arleigh Burke can be upgraded without needing a complete redesign. That long-term flexibility is a key selling point, economically and strategically. In conclusion, the 2026 USS Arleigh Burke DDG-51 is a prime example of how smart upgrades can keep a legacy platform not just relevant, but dominant. With its powerful radar, multi-role combat systems, improved stealth, and future-ready architecture, this destroyer is built to meet the challenges of modern maritime conflict. It remains a critical pillar of the U.S. Navy's surface fleet, and a testament to the enduring value of innovation layered on proven design. Whether you're into military tech or simply fascinated by cutting-edge machines, the USS Arleigh Burke is a ship worth knowing.